What tools do I need to start gunsmithing? And don't I need a lot of expensive equipment to be a gunsmith, like a full machine shop with a big mill and a lathe? The answer is no, you don't. You really can start gunsmithing with just some basic hand tools and one specific power tool. So let's talk about the hand tools first. If you have some pin punches, screwdrivers, hammers, pliers, you have most of what you need right there, along with a good bench vise, a bench block, and then the one power tool you'll need and use more than anything else is a Fordham tool. And the Fordham tool is a controlled power tool where you have a hand chuck that's interchangeable, and you can have different bits, such as a drill bit, a grinding bit, a cutoff bit, polishing bits, polishing wheels, all of that, and is controlled with a foot rheostat, so you can control the speed. It's a critical tool that you'll be using every single day in your gun shop. As far as if you're doing advanced work beyond just general repair, that's when, for barreling, you're going to need a larger lathe. For doing slide work, you could use a mill. But for general gunsmithing starting off, those hand tools that I listed will do the job. And in fact, even if you're doing a lot of medium to advanced work, a small bench lathe will handle most of the work. So no, you don't need a full machine shop. In fact, you can probably get started with all the tools you need for under $1,000.